guys, in the early hours of today, an earthquake felt in Egypt, and for a second everything felt uncertain. I feel like everything is not certain, you guys. Anyways, how you guys doing today? I want to cook now, so let's cook together. I've been looking for this, and I search Talabat, I find it. I love it, you guys. I ordered for 4, and immediately they bring it. I finished one already, and this last one. This also. I ordered 2 of these, but we finished one already. It just came now. I mean, my baby just finished. My baby is still crying for me. What do you want? Okay, speak English? Okay. You speak English? Okay. Yes, it's good. Like this, he's sleeping.
حلوة دي رحت دي ردتها بالظهر كأني شايلة شنطة.
انا ليه كنت بحطها كده؟
لا ما هو كده بتتعب الكتاب والظهر.
والله ليه كنت بروح بيها شغلي وانا كده.
بس برضه الكتاب بتوجعك. هم
هنا بتوجعني. هنا ما فيش في توب. Let me see. Okay. I one with no hand.
No hand.
Oh yes.
Top.
Oh,
What color?
والنعمة تعبوا
okay. Which color you have? Let me see. Oh, let me see. Oh, you don't have black?
شوفوا انا لا قلت لها
البسيها.
ما انا مش على اللبس ما انا اهو
البسيها.
Let me see.
لونج مش شورت. لونج هنا.
Okay, let me see.
نايم الطفل نايم
Oh, nice. No pad. How much this?
100.
You don't have small. Small. Oh.
حلوة.
Okay. Not 100. Will you give me for 100? Okay. أعطيك.
انت قلتي بكام على ايه؟
You guys, I'm back home. I went to get some stuff because we are going out. I got this as well. You guys, my fridge got spoiled. It doesn't spoil by itself. I spoiled it because I wanted to remove something from the freezer, so I used knife to remove it, and the gas was leaking. It leaked out. The gas leaked out, and as everything goes spoiled. We got someone to fix it, but the money is what we would rather use that money to buy another one than to repair it. Okay, so a lot of things in the freezer that we got spoiled. So like my protein now, I have chicken in the freezer, so I have to even some if you remember the rice I cooked earlier, it got spoiled. I have to trash everything, you guys. This as well, I let it fry. It's very hard, very hard, very hard. Anyway, you guys, I just make my hair. My husband help me make it, and my baby own too, my son own. So you guys, I'm preparing this video. I'm going to put it on when we are going, and I want to prepare everything down because I've not been sleeping since last night. I've not slept, so I want to sleep for like 2 to 3 hours before we leave. And once I wake up like this, I'll just put on my clothes, prepare everything, then we leave. Alima.